Good morning, or afternoon, good night, good evening, wherever you are. I'm curling my hair because it's just a little bit of a wave. But I slept in a braid, and when I do that, only the bottom gets curled. And I'm like, well, I cannot walk out like that. Curl, look at that wave. I was just praying I could find my own place. Cause like I have like people in my family that can offer their house and things like to rent out, but I'm like, I really pray that I venture out in a way. Like a blessing comes, I can save money. That's so hard. It's only hard because I put myself in a lot of debt, man. But we're gonna get out of it. In Jesus' mighty name. Ooh, burning myself for this sacrifice. I don't know how to get that poofy, man. Oh my gosh, that's a huge poof on that side. Okay, so we're gonna try to do it on this side. Yeah. Guys, I forgot to read my word this morning. Don't catch me slipping like that. Burn hair. Burn hair. Hold on. I hope it's even. I think it is. I think it's fine. Did I get every piece? I hope so. I'm really gonna spray this because I want it to fall down a little bit.